Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular options, the WonderWash portable mini washing machine and the mini portable washing machine. Both are designed for small spaces and convenience, but they have different features and functionalities. Let's dive into the details to see which one might be the best fit for you. The WonderWash is a manual, hand-cranked washing machine that requires no electricity, making it eco-friendly and perfect for off-grid living. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine is electric and features a spin function, making it easier to use but requiring a power source. Both machines are compact and designed for small loads, but their operation methods cater to different user preferences. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads and delicates. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine has a larger capacity of 11 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once, which is ideal for families or those with more laundry needs. The WonderWash features a retro design that is both stylish and compact, making it easy to store and transport. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine is foldable, which adds an extra layer of convenience for travel and storage. Both designs cater to users looking for portable solutions, but they appeal to different aesthetic preferences. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the mini portable washing machine offer unique advantages for those in need of portable washing solutions. The WonderWash is perfect for eco-conscious users who prefer manual operation, while the mini portable washing machine provides the convenience of electric washing with a larger capacity. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.